Hebei Jiake Welding Equipment Company Limited is a professional one-of leader manufacturer of wire mesh welding machines, wire mesh weaving machines, and metal wire processing machines. It is located in Wire Mesh hometown, Anping County, Hebei Province, China. Our main products are reinforcing mesh welding machine, fence mesh welding machine, electric welded mesh machine, steel grating welding machine, animal cage welding machine, wedge wire screen welding machine, 3D panel machine, chain link fence machine, barbed wire machine, Gabion mesh machine, hexagonal mesh machine, expanded metal mesh machine, wire drawing machine, crimped wire mesh machine, steel fiber machine, wire straightening and cutting machine, etc. We are engaged in designing and exporting advanced wire mesh machine technologies. We have built good reputation among our customers with advanced technology and reliable services. In the last few years, we exported more than 200 sets of wire mesh machines to different regions in the world, such as Southeast Asia, Mid-East, Eastern Europe, South America, Central America. We are committed to our customers that we will always provide high-quality wire mesh machines with suitable price. We will be dedicated to give our best after-sale service. We sincerely hope your cooperation in the future and warmly welcome your coming to visit our factory. We will be a good supplier for your project.